Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now, the Nifty is showing a clear bearish structure on the daily chart after facing a strong resistance from 26,800. The market failed to sustain higher levels and started forming lower highs and lower lows, which is a classic sign for downtrend. So when you see that this is the highest level, is the highest level in Nifty 1 day candle, and it is just going like a higher highs and higher lows and exactly reaching the downtrend. So now market is in the zone of 23,800. So that is 23,400 level. So this is the current high. After going that steep down from here to here, market is bounced back from here. But this level is acting as a make or break zone. If Nifty sustain this level, it is, we are expected that I already told that this zone is a make or break zone. If it is not sustained here and further we can accept that expected downside around 22,800, and even if it is go, the next level to watch out is the same. The Nifty recent low is 22,487. So this is the expectation if the price is not sustained above this 23,400. In case if the price is sustained above this level, we can expect that first level to watch out is 23,900, and then the next level to watch out for the level. This is the recent high 23,900, and further if it is sustained about 23,900, the next level to watch out here it is 24,400. And the next level to watch out here it is 24,800. Ultimately, market 25,000. And if the price is sustained up to 25,000, next level to watch out is 25,600. So this is the Nifty prediction in the day market in recent high. So when it is move on, that rally continuous, and again it bounce back, and it will reach around 26,000 very soon. And if it is sustained the 26,800, then it will go to 27,000. This is the Nifty 1 day trend direction. Recently, the market is fell down because of the heavy uh, geopolitical issue between the war between America, Iran, and Israel. So that is the situation caused massive down within the short period. And anytime it can be come down if the war announcement or maybe the war situation is neutralized. Then further price may be increasing and the price may be go further up. In India, upcoming 3 to 4 state election is there. So based on the election results also, the price may go up and down. If the price also moving here, it is the only candle, it's not just exactly like a rocket. It may further go like this. Further go like this. Each and every level what I given, and it may be go like a typical this type direction. If it is going like this only, it is like an increasing market, not just like 1 day candle like rocket. So see you guys, and if you see that the overall trend, how the market is moved, all the levels in during this situation, market is achieved. This is the same situation last year, 23 November. Market is around 23,900 level, and market right now today in recent days achieve this level. And if it is taken as a support, then it will go to here. Here already 24,200, and this 24,200 is achieved. Means the next level to watch out is 26,000. So that is the main lesson from this recent downtrend. And if this recent downtrend is again is moving upward, market will go to same level. So this is all about the Nifty trend direction in upcoming day, and anybody looking for long-term investment, and this is the time to invest for long time. And intraday traders, just watch and listen that every day we are in live from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and during that live trade, we'll give exactly that how the target, stop loss, and entry will be given. So take it as a reference and trade with your own strategy. If you like this information, please like and subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Yes.